my beautiful sister, Christine Reyes.
Yes. Hello. Ate, pagod ka na?
Hindi. Hindi naman masyado.
Wala lang. Walang masamang magpahinga. Gusto mo ako muna?
Pwede naman. Challenge mo ba ako?
Hindi, concerned lang naman ako. Kasi pwede chill-chill lang tayo, di ba?
Anong chill-chill lang?
Yung kalmang number. Mga songs na parang yung nagkukwento lang. Mga acoustic. Parang when you're down and trouble.
Ano? Alam mo,
James Taylor.
Sandali.
James Taylor.
Hindi pang James Taylor ang ate mo. Pang Taylor Swift ako, no? Taylor Swiftist tayo, guys!
About something that you said, but she doesn't like your humor like I do. I'm in the room, it's a typical Tuesday night. Listen to the kind of music she doesn't like. She'll never know your story like I do. She wears short skirts, I wear a t-shirt. She is cheer captain. I'm on the beach, sitting down the day when you wake up at 5 and
nakatungtong sa stage, pero thank you talaga.
Thank you, thank you.